Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Thandi, originally from Zimbabwe and living in South Africa, Slow Town. Appreciate you guys. To the new subscribers, you're welcome. To the returning subscribers, appreciate you and do not take you for granted. Kindly like my video, guys. And get my protea is dying, so I probably need to take it off. I'll have to take it off. It's been nice. It's the protea plant, protea flower. Okay guys, I just feel like I've been craving pizza today, so we're deciding to go to Pili Pili and order some takeaway pizza. I'm not sure if they do deliveries. I must find out today. In our slow town, it's not like the cities where you can order Uber Eats to deliver at home. I must find out though if they deliver at Pili Pili, if they do deliveries, so that I know for next time. But anyway, let's just go for now. Let's get pizza. Don't mind my messy garage. My garage is so messy. Anyway. Alright, let's go. Who is here? Look who is here. She can't be left behind. She always takes along. Hey Bubbles. Say hi to mommy's people. Say hello. Say hello, Bubbles. Say hello to mommy's people. Say hello. She always takes along this one. What you guys doing? Oh. The sun is going down. It's like 5 o'clock now. The sun is so bright. It's going down. Guys, our channel is growing. Thanks to you guys. I appreciate you for always coming to watch, for the support. I appreciate you guys. You're amazing. See, they're coming from cycling. They're coming from cycling. I think they went far. Remember, we saw them.
Yeah, we did.
As we walked Bubbles. They only come back now. They went far. So our neighbors, they went cycling. They've been gone for over 2 hours or so.
At least.
Yeah. I think they cycle very far. Oh, the sun is so bright. Anyway, it's...
Oh God, I can't see anything.
And the mist is coming up. You see the mist is coming up over there on the dunes. The guinea fowls. Mind the guinea fowls, nah?
Yeah.
Look at the guinea fowls, guys. Look at our resident guinea fowls. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh, there's so many of them. Those are our resident guinea fowls. Look at the mist up there. The mist is coming. It's coming in. The sun is going down. These wipers, they don't clean nicely. What's wrong?
No, but inside.
Is it the inside?
The inside is filthy. Funny, I always forget to clean the inside. I clean these.
You clean this and forget the windscreen inside. Mind, we're having a braai. They're having a braai, we just didn't attend. We didn't feel like. Hello. Our neighbors, it's a braai, it's a braai. We just didn't feel like we just didn't feel like a braai. Guys, I don't eat meat anymore anyway, so mostly braais is meat. Hela?
I think it is, yeah.
Mostly braais is like meat, and yeah, there is chicken and whatever, but most cases is meat. I don't eat red meat anymore. It's been like what, 2 months?
About that.
About 2 months that I've decided not to eat meat anymore, and I don't miss it, and I don't miss it at all. Okay, guys, come, let's go to our Pili Pili. Yeah. This side. Wait.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, look at the subject, eh? Another exit.
Look at this amazing view, guys. View of the sea. We're coming down. It's a beautiful slow town. Our beautiful, beautiful town. There's the sea over there. This is Pili Pili. That is where we're going. They have disclaimer. This is not a paid advertisement.
Okay.
Park there, love. Park there. They have backpackers. They have backpackers as well. This is the Pili Pili. This is a beachfront restaurant. Well, there's lots of people. There's lots of people today.
The dog what?
The dog food. Okay, I'm going to order what you want. Your toppings.
You know, normal mushrooms or bologna or whatever.
Bologna.
Whatever they.
Okay, let's go, guys. Hello. You stay here. You stay here. Let's go order, guys. This is our beachfront. Pili Pili. Look at the kids still playing there. It's a nice day. Nice day. Nice day. There's probably music in there, so let's see. Smart gentleman. Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker. Let's go order our takeaway. You can buy souvenirs here to take back home. So nice. Hello. I'm good, yourself? Ah, there's music. How are you? Ordered my pizza. There was music inside, I couldn't take you. But there's outside seating, you see, you can sit outside. Let's just walk to the beach. You can sit outside. It's lovely. Look at the kids, they're still playing there. Hello. I'm gonna be all sandy now. This is our slow town. Welcome to Sedgefield, the slow town. So there is the Pili Pili restaurant. There is the beach. The sun is gone down. We missed the sunset. We just missed the sunset. So there. It's gonna take 5 minutes for my pizza to be ready. A beautiful slow town. Very safe, very, very safe. People walking their dogs, kids playing outside. Very safe. Hello. Hello. So you can bring your whole family. The kids play area while you eat. Kids play. And there's a swing here. Let's see. This is living. It's a good living in our slow town. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful town. What do you think of my slow town, guys? This is the seahorse. It was done by Mosaic. done in mosaic or by mosaic, in mosaic. It's gonna take 5 minutes. No, they don't deliver.
They don't.
Mm-mm.
There used to be
They don't deliver.
a company that did meals. Ernest used to get sometimes order meals. They deliver them cooked.
Oh, maybe it's a private. It's a private.
It could be, yeah.
It's private.
She saw you there and she
Oh, she saw me going there.
cried so. She started crying.
I thought I was gonna walk with her there, but she's scared of the water also. She was gonna. Hey, mommy. She's scared of the water. This one.
Doesn't like the water.
Mm-mm.
There are quite a few people coming up from the beach.
Yes, there's quite a few people there. Kids are still playing there, so it's nice and it's not cold actually.
Isn't it?
It's not cold. It's nice and cool.
Is it full?
Inside here. You see
I
all
think
these
they do
cars.
very well, you know.
Yeah, they do. They do well. They do well. It's a nice environment.
Yeah.
You know, this is packed.
It is nice.
Inside, outside, it's packed. So, hey Bubbles. Hey Bubbles. Hey Bubbles. Hey Bubbles. While we wait for our food. Oh, there's a special today. There's a special, you know, there's a special every day.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Special of
Different
foods.
different foods. Oh. So today it was a lucky day. It's a pizza special.
Oh, that's lucky. How much does this come to?
175 for 2 pizzas. It's amazing. What you guys think? 175 rand for 2 pizzas. Very nice pizzas, thin base. Amazing. You got a choice, like 5 choices that you can choose from. And then from Monday to Friday, every day actually, there's different. I think on Monday there's sushi, Tuesday it's braai or something, Wednesday it's fish, hake, like that.
Menu.
Which is nice. If you don't want to cook at home, you can buy your meals here at a reasonable price.
We should get the menu and
What you guys think?
Can one
Maybe I must stop cooking and just come every day. Come every day for specials. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. If I must stop cooking and just order food from here every day. But takeaway food, also food like this, also restaurant food is tiring sometimes.
Well, they take a telephone order.
You can order, but you pick it up yourself.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You can then.
Yeah, you can order and pick it up
You must
yourself.
get the menu and see.
Yeah, I think I'll get the takeaway menu. Yeah.
Yeah, once in a while, it's
Yeah, then it helps me from cooking.
you know.
What you think of this option, guys? I think it's a great option.
Especially weekends.
So I don't have to cook every day and every day. But weekends we don't cook anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Well, this
We
is,
can buy here anyway. Weekends is definitely we can buy here. But during the week also, we know we've got an option. If I don't feel like cooking. What you want, Bubbles? What you want?
Yeah, she's been wanting to come to
She's
the
just
front,
fussy.
Here comes Mr. Doggy Food.
Go check.
Go in now.
Go
Mommy,
get.
Go in now.
Must be stay, mommy. Stay. We go get my food. They said 5 minutes, so 5 minutes should be enough now. is that side? Hi, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good, good. Hello. There's a shop this side. Where's the backpackers? It's up here.
Yes.
Ah, okay. How much?
Actually, it's not a backpack.
What is it?
We are three-star rated, so we're not backpackers anymore. We've got dorm rooms, but
Okay.
most of our rooms are twin rooms or a honeymoon suite.
Serious? Do you mind? Can you show me the rooms? I thought it was just backpackers, like a.
No.
Oh, all right. So it's amazing, guys. Disclaimer: it's not an advertisement. I'm just. I'm not advertising the backpackers. In case you come to Sedgefield and you looking for accommodation, come here.
And we're not that expensive.
And they're not expensive, yeah. Okay. Let's see.
This one is open.
How many rooms have you got?
We've got 11 rooms and we've got 56 beds.
11 rooms. So there's two.
We've got 3 dorm rooms and then we've got the twin rooms. Is this one?
This is a twin room.
Yes.
And then a dorm room. Okay. So this is a twin room, guys. So two can bring your friend. I know you got four people sleeping here
Yes.
in a twin room.
Yes.
Four
Or
people.
we can make it for you like a family room. Then we push these 2 beds together.
Okay.
Make it up as a king size. And 2 children.
Wow. How much is
Their
this?
own bathrooms, everything.
So you've got your own shower, nice, clean, and tidy. Very nice, very clean. You've got your own room, you've got your own toilet, you've got your own TV, and you've got a mini fridge over there. You've got a coffee station. Wow. So this room, how much can you pay for this
Let's go for 1,200.
a day?
Yeah.
Okay,
And then
1,000.
we run specials like this week we give
Look at the view.
20% special.
So you run specials now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you book now, you get less 20% on the price.
Okay.
All these rooms are the same.
All right.
And then
That's
we only
interesting.
have 2 sea-facing rooms.
Okay, so
And
this
that's
is.
what we call our honeymoon suite.
Okay, so this is, let me just show you that. Okay, there is where they're doing our pizzas. That's where they're making the pizza. There's the pizza ovens there. There's outside seating. This is it from the top, guys. Isn't this amazing? My pizzas are good, my brother. I'm coming. I'm coming down. So that's the guy that I ordered the pizza from. So this is a honeymoon suite. Wow. Look at this, guys. What you think? This is Pili Pili. What is Pili Pili? Pili Pili, yes. Wow. This is amazing. This is a honeymoon suite. Very nice, neat. Toilet, mirror, shower. Amazing. A table where you can work from. If you're traveling with work. Coffee station here. TV up there. Fridge. A mini fridge there. This is beautiful. And then the honeymoon suite, how much is it? And then the mirror where you can look at yourself. And then the honeymoon suite is 1,400, guys. And then you walk out onto this. So there's two honeymoon suites.
Yes.
Wow, you walk out onto your deck and then you can sit here while you're having your morning coffee and look at that.
And in the evenings, have a glass of wine.
Have a glass of wine and watching the sunset. Wow. This is our slow town. This is our slow town, guys. Beautiful, beautiful.
This room is the same as
The same as that one. So you got 2 honeymoon suites.
Yes. We call it honeymoon suite, but it's
just
because it's just for For adults. Just for breakaway.
Oh, just for adults, that one.
Yeah.
Those ones.
And then those two rooms are the same.
Okay.
There's one of our dorm rooms.
This is the dorm room. Our dorm room is basically just
You
so
also get,
six.
All that you don't have in here is the fridge and the TV.
Okay, so you can come with your friends and you share this dorm room. 6 people sharing. You've still got a coffee station over there. Cupboard. Shower. Toilet. That's all that you need when you come on holiday. I mean, you don't even spend your day in the room anyway.
Exactly.
You're out there and you come here just to sleep. So this dorm room, how much will it cost?
They are $4.50 a bed.
$4.50 a bed. A bed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
you pay per
clever.
bed,
That's clever because they can come 6 of them and pay $4.50.
Yes.
No, guys, it's $4.50 per bed. Each person pays $4.50. Awesome.
Okay, the rest I can't show you.
And
because
then-
we've got people.
No, that's fine. They're the
people
same.
inside. Yes.
Just hear the birds chirping and the sea.
Up in the morning.
They wake you up in the morning and then you just hear the sea, you know. Wow, this is beautiful. I've never been up here. I used to think that they're just backpackers rooms.
No,
Like,
no.
Wow.
That's the thing. Everybody thinks it's just a backpacker because the people that stayed for a long time in Sedgefield,
yes.
it used to be only backpackers.
Okay.
But we changed it. As I said, now we are 3-star rated.
Okay.
And you've
So
got
this is it,
everything
guys.
you need.
If you come to Sedgefield, there's a beautiful accommodation. Wow, that's stunning. Sorry, what's your name? I didn't even ask you.
I'm Renee.
Renate, I'm Tandy.
Oh, I won't forget your name.
This is for my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This is beautiful. It's nice. And that side?
That is also, we call that our studio.
Oh, that side. Okay.
There is 10 beds in there.
All right. So it's for a group
with
of
a-
people.
Yeah. Or we can do the family room also.
Okay.
But the difference in there, you've got the basin and everything in there where you can wash your whatever.
Okay.
And there's also a shower.
there's a
and
sitting
there's a nice
area.
bench inside.
Okay.
So that's what we call our studio room. Which is unlucky there's people inside of this one.
No, that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. Thank you so much for showing me.
It's a pleasure.
Now I know.
Yeah, this one is
What?
10 beds and that one in there.
And that one
we've got
also.
14 beds in there.
Hey, it's a big room.
Yes, but it's 2 rooms.
Interleading.
Yeah. And
Okay.
there's 2 bathrooms. So
Lovely.
It's not cramped or anything.
It's not cramped. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Wow. Okay. It's neat also. Very neat. And then you have your restaurant downstairs and you've got a little shop there. If you need to buy little things there, you buy from there. Or souvenirs when you want to take back to your family. You got souvenirs here. Pili Pili that you can purchase and take back to your family. All right. All right. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, you've seen this. Now I came for pizza. Now I'm showing you more than that. More things. Where's my guy? There's a guy that. Where's my guy? Where is he? He's gone. No, the smaller guy. Outside on that side. Okay. Can I? Yes, please. Oh, thank you. I'll wait outside. Running away from the music. I wanna give him a tip. There's my pizzas. 2 pizzas. 2 pizza specials.
I've got 2 dogs inside, If they make a noise, call me. Are we on camera here, my dear?
Yes, you are. I don't even know where it is. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, these are pizzas. That's a Regina. This is a chicken what? Forgot. Sweet chili chicken. So yummy. All right, guys, thank you for coming with to Pili Pili to order our takeaways. Appreciate you guys. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think of my video. Let me know what you think of that, the accommodation, the Pili Pili that I thought was backpackers, but it's actually a smart 3-star accommodation. All right, guys, I love you and may God bless you. Goodbye.
This one mine?